How to delete Google search history. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can manage your Google search history and how can delete all your search history from your Google account. So let's start with the video, guys. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the Chrome browser. So this is my Chrome browser, guys, and so there is a two type of history. First, which save on your Chrome browser only, or if you synchronize your account like this. If you synchronize this account, then your Chrome browser history also save in Google. So how you can find out the both of history and how can delete it, I will show you. The first, we talking about the Chrome history. Just click on this three dot option, go to the history, go to the history again, and here you can see the option called clear browsing history. And now you can select the time range, so you can delete last source history or last all time. And you can select all three of like caches browsing history and caches image. This is main your history, and you can clear. In advanced you will see the all option, which is password, autofill, everything you can delete from here. You can set the time range and you can delete from here. Okay, so this is the Chrome browser history. Now we are going to talk about the your Google account history. So as I told you, just sign in with your Google account. Just click on this icon and go to the manage your Google account. So you can see the all your Google accounts information here. So we need to go in data and privacy. Just scroll down, and here you can see the option called webm app activities. You will see the your location history and YouTube history different tab, but in all app history will see only rest of all activities you can see in web and app activity. Just click on it. This is your all history. Okay, so I don't have any history here, so I already deleted it. So just go to the manage all activities, and you can see it. Now what you need to do, just filter, and you can filter any particular history, like only Chrome history, Google Ads history. So I select the Chrome history only. Sorry, I lost the internet, let me refresh it. Okay, so under the Chrome history I have only one, so I can delete from here, or I can delete all result from here. Okay, you can delete all result, or you can delete one by one by clicking this into, or you can delete all from this. Okay, it will be delete everything. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.